Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Our Flag. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about articles. Before this in English for grade 2, I have already taught you use of a or an. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recall and apply the rules for the use of a, an, and the. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Falaq, verse 1. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of daybreak. Yes, my dear children, but this beautiful verse tells us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us a tidbit. Whenever you feel uneasy, uncomfortable, or even scared, right away recite this verse. I seek refuge. And when we are in the shelter of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are not afraid anymore. Okay, and I hope in grade 3 now you have memorized Surah Al-Falaq. Have you? Okay, that's beautiful surah. So keep reciting it whenever you feel uneasy. Okay, and Vita, look at this, the Lord. So we have used this article over here. Where do we use this article? In today's lesson, we'll learn it, okay? So first you tell me, where do we use a and where do we place an? We have learned these rules. Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teachers and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could recall and you told to your teacher correctly that the article a and an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. Okay, so first of all, we use a and an to refer one, means one, and one what? Any noun, that can be any naming word, which is general. There is no specification. Are you getting it? For example, when I say a boy, it means any boy, one boy. I say, I saw a boy standing outside. Now, it means there was one boy. First thing, this is telling me there was one boy. And second thing, that boy is like, there is no identity. I'm using this noun as a general noun. Okay. The second is an igloo. So where do we use an? An also refers to one in general, but if the noun is starting with a vowel sound. Remember? So this is starting with a consonant sound. This noun is starting with a vowel sound. That's why with vowel sound we use an, with consonant we use a, but their basic rules are same, one general noun. Right? Clear? Okay. Let's see. When we are using plural noun, do we use a or an? No, good. Because beta, I told you a and an refers to one. And when I'm saying boys, it means more than one. So I cannot say a boys, right? So boys or plural nouns don't take article, right? Yeah, igloos, more than one, right? So a and an are used to refer one general noun. Clear? Okay. When I say this is a chair, it means I'm talking about it. This is a chair. It is a general chair. Or if I say you give me a chair, please, it means I'm asking a chair which can be any. So you can give me any chair, right? One chair, any, a general chair, right? He is an astronaut. So an means, why I have used an? Because one, general, and it is starting, astronaut is starting with a vowel sound. That's why I have used an. And Astronaut is trained for space flight. Okay, so again, now the next, our third article is the article the. Where do we use the? The is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. Okay? When the identity is specific, when we use a noun as a specific noun, it's not general. It doesn't, when I use the with a noun, it means I'm talking about a particular thing. Right? How does it make a difference? The way I told you, when I say this is a chair, this is referring to any chair. But when I say give me the chair, please. Now this the, when I removed and we use the, it means I'm talking about a specific chair. Give me the chair. The only one I'm pointing to, you should give that to me. Do you understand the difference? Okay, so let's learn it further through an activity. Are you ready for that? So we have planned 2 activities. In activity 1, in pairs, students take in turns to read a sentence aloud to their partner using the word blank for the 2 missing articles in each sentence. Right? Teacher will make pairs. One student will read aloud, and instead of saying the article, the child will say blank at that space. Their partner then tries to complete the sentence with a, an, or the, or no article. You have to use the correct article. If a student completes the sentence correctly, then move on to the second sentence on their next turn. And if a student gets one or both missing article wrong, they will stay on the first sentence. Their partner then tells them how many articles they got wrong, and if one article is incorrect, their partner indicates which one, right? The first student to get to finish this game wins. This is part 1 of this game, and you will pause the video. Are you clear with the instructions? So teacher will make pairs, and one will read the sentence without telling where to use which article. The other will complete the sentence. So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So I hope all of you used correct articles. Okay, so let's practice it from your book. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Here are the sentences, and you have to complete the sentences by using articles. And by the way, what the articles are? A, and the. So you have to use one to complete each sentence. Pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences using articles a, an, and the. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, once again, you will use one article out of these 3, out of the 3, and you will complete the sentences. So what we have learned? We recall that article a or an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. And the article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recall and apply the rules for the use of a, an, and the. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.